Welcome to Oil Camp Creek Trail in South Carolina. Welcome to South Carolina. It's a beautiful day today. My veteran Sherman Max is registering 23 miles before I get started. This is a pretty good little trail. A lot of creeks. Nice little river. The bigger they are, the more river-ish they are. But we are on Oil Camp Creek Trail. It's a dirt trail. It's a state park. And we'll have some fun. Come on, Molly. Come on, Mama. Ooh. It's a little warm today. It's in the 80s. Fahrenheit, that is. For you, my European brothers. Welcome to South Carolina. Oil Camp Creek. Ooh, little rock. It's pretty though. Ooh, you can stop and let you see down there. Let's see if we can get something down there. Ooh, wow. It's 50 feet down. For 100 feet, that's a long way down. Ooh. Good riding here. Hitting any bushes here. My buddy's already gone ahead. He's at the top of the trail. This trail goes all the way up to Caesar's Head and everything. Right over the river, over the little muddy creek. Here we go. Yeah, did a good job. Come on, Mama. Got my dog with me today. She is awesome. Molly. Right. Nice rocks out here. Look at this. Awesome. Very cool. Little trails off to the side. A lot of debris on the trail. Some good sized rocks. Come on, Mama. Her name's Molly, but I call her Mama for short. She's one of the best dogs I've ever had. Full-blood Dalmatian. It's the third Dalmatian I've had. And they've always been great dogs. None of them have ever been on leashes or collars. All right. Ooh, another little bridge. Pretty. All right. That pedal's pretty good back there. Nice rocks. We're here to another gate. Go around this thing. Okay, go around. We'll go under it. Beautiful little area. Oil Camp Creek. All right. Off and rolling again. Woo, big old rocks. Getting rough on me. Woo! It's fun. Love this stuff. Here's another bridge. Hey, buddy. Our buddy down there on the creek bed. Go up here. Ooh. always good to have somebody with you when you're doing this stuff, because you could fall and get hurt seriously and need some help. Whew. That's a good little climb right there. Whew. Nice little creek too. Ooh. Whoa. A little bit of a workout. Isn't it beautiful down in there? Ooh, I got some good burning calves today. All right. Oh! My bottom foot, my left foot lost traction on the spiked pedals. I almost went down. Probably wet from going through that puddle earlier. Oh my goodness. Woo. Definitely a workout. These South Carolina mountains aren't the easiest trailheads. Whoa. Ooh. Welcome. Nice smooth area. Ooh. I'll go a little bit further. Turn around. Because this trail just goes on and on and on. Ooh. Ooh. Will make you work at it, that's for sure. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh. Let me stop here for a second, collect myself. Make sure Molly's with me. How you doing, baby? You go, girl? You ready for a little bit longer? Look at that down there. Beautiful. All right. Off again we go. Tighten up my jump pads. These rocks are bouncing me pretty good. Whew. So what do we got here? We got off the trail I wanted. Get back. Oh, it's 40. It just got me. Whew. That's one hell of a tree stump there. I just didn't have the power in my legs to pop it over. Get my bumper back on here. Whew. Whew. Woo. Oh, gather myself a little bit here. See if I can get it started back up here. Whew. Momentum's everything on these hill climbs. Oh. Whew. Oil Camp Creek Road, Creek Trail. A little bit of a climb. My legs are definitely feeling it, or I wouldn't be wimping out and pushing it up like that. Whew. It's a nice little creek back in there. I'm not going to go much farther. Excuse me. Got a little bit of dust in my throat, falling over that log. Why you always wear pads, guys. You never know when you're gonna go down. Ooh. Watch out for them roots too. Those roots are subject to get you. Oh. This is about it for me. Ooh. Like I said, it goes on and on and on. You'll have to check out the downhill coming up.